So, bit of a unofficial first episode of our short series on the E46. I impulse purchased this car off Marketplace because I thought it looked cool, and I figured why not clean it up and make something decent out of it. So first up on the agenda is removing that shit window tint that was on the front windows because I couldn't see out of it, and the rear windows are pretty average. It's kind of that blue gross factory tint from this era of BMW. So Mark's going to tint it up for me. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. Fair few things on the car that I really want to clean up. Lots of polish inside, all the cracks and crevices around the roof, inside the boot, inside the bonnet. And the thing that annoys me the most is the stains on the plastic door trims. There's some cowboys out there, but we can clean it up. That's what we do.